In Alphacast, you can transform data so it updates automatically whenever the source changes. In this tutorial, we'll show how to create pipelines using your own custom formulas. In this dashboard, for example, we're looking at the dollar index. On the chart on the left, you can see the dollar index and a line marking its most recent value. In the middle chart, we're visualizing the dollar index together with two moving averages, one for a 30-day window and the other for 180 days. Finally, in the last chart, we calculate the maximum values of both moving averages. To access the pipelines, go to any chart in the dashboard and select the Edit or View Source button. This takes you to the Pipelines workspace. On the left, you'll see the list of steps that transform the data. The first step loads data from the United States. In the second step, a single column is selected from all the available columns in the dataset. The third step is where we begin applying our custom formulas. Here, you'll find a space to write and design your own formulas. If you want to learn more about the available formulas, you can click on the Learning Center. There, you'll find a complete library of operators, conditional functions, time series tools, and more. These tools allow you to perform many different types of calculations. Returning to our example, here we apply the last formula to the trade-weighted US dollar index column. We can then create a chart to visualize this new series. In the second case, we create two additional variables. One of them is a moving average with a 30-day window. The other applies the same calculation with a 180-day window. This allows us to create the moving averages chart we saw at the beginning of the dashboard. Finally, the last step allows us to apply the same formula to multiple variables at once. In this example, we select the two variables we created earlier. These are the 30-day and 180-day moving averages. We then apply the max formula to both of them. This generates two new variables showing the maximum value of each calculated series. We hope this explanation was helpful. If you'd like to learn more, we invite you to get in touch and talk with us.